Hey everyone, this is Matthew Durian with Digital Freedom Network. I wanted to give you all the chance to get positioned in a new cryptocurrency opportunity that we're going to be including in our crypto accelerator and commission system. The company is called Unifii. It's still in pre-launch, so the timing on this could not be better. Right now it's completely free to register and get set up with a position. There's no obligation whatsoever. So guys, it's really a no-brainer to do this. I have several videos on my YouTube channel where myself and Mike Klingler from our crypto community review Unifii, and in those videos we had addressed our concerns with moving forward with Unifii just due to potential compliance issues in the US and Canada, which we know have the strictest of regulations when it comes to anything cryptocurrency related. Our concerns were with SEC compliance. And just to better understand Unifii's overall business model, before we began promoting this to our crypto community, we wanted to make absolutely sure that this wasn't going to be like the other crypto platforms that we've all seen out there that shut down after a few months and run off with your Bitcoin. Well, we got some really good news over the weekend. Mike Klingler had a meeting with Unifii CEO Ron Monterulli. Here's what Mike had to say in a post from one of our private crypto communities about his meeting with Ron. Here's what Mike posted. Just wanted to let people know who were wondering how my meeting went with Unifii CEO Ron Monterulli. It went better than I could have imagined. I'm impressed. I created a video review of Unifii earlier this week expressing concerns about compliance. As many of you know, past issues with other companies has made me ultra cautious. Ron addressed these concerns beyond reproach. I promise to make a follow-up video after this meeting and after reviewing the product to let everyone in my team know if we are moving on this. I am 99.9% sure we are moving on forward on this and making it a lead in our system. Though I still want to actually see Prosperity U, one of the products that is important for our marketing system, I can say that the vision and organization of education as Ron and CMO John Kinnear described it is very convincing, and I'm already sold. Once I view Prosperity U, I think this weekend, I'll shoot a video review as a follow-up to my more skeptical one I did earlier, and I'll cover what I've learned and why I'm so excited about what's happening here. Those who are here now are quite fortunate. I'll be in touch. For those of you who don't know who Ron Monterulli is, he's worked as an executive in 2 different billion-dollar direct sale companies over the last 18 years, so he understands what it takes to grow a company from pre-launch to massive success. Here's a quick clip of Ron from inside of Unifii's website.
Hello, and welcome to Unifii. My name is Ron Monterulli, and it is a privilege to serve you as Chief Executive Officer. Unifii was created out of a passionate desire to teach and train people from all walks of life how to take control of their financial future by educating and providing simple-to-use tools that the everyday person can understand and use to generate significant wealth within the traditional financial markets and the new emerging cryptocurrency market.
So what is Unifii? Unifii is a cryptocurrency education and training system. With this crypto space constantly changing, a continuing education platform like this can be really valuable as more and more people are getting introduced to crypto every day. Which is why, guys, I'm suggesting to you, at the very least, get your free position now. If you decide to move forward with this when it launches, you can benefit from all of my marketing efforts and the efforts of Mike Klingler and everyone from our crypto community. People are already starting to jump in on this opportunity now, and because Unifii has an excellent affiliate program, which is set up like a matrix, it means that you can benefit from all the efforts of everyone that comes in after your position is set. This is called spillover. Now I want you to understand, obviously, if you decide to move forward, you'd have to purchase the product to participate, but you don't need to decide that now. Actually, there isn't even anything to purchase at this stage anyway, because we're still, again, in pre-launch. I can't even tell you what the costs are going to be, but I'm told that it's going to be very reasonable to get involved. A lot of you know that my marketing system focuses on Crypto World Evolution, which is a trading bot platform. Now, CWE is really awesome in a bull market and really good for people that are mature, seasoned investors that can understand the bear market side, but the reality is that most people can't handle a bear market. So our system needs a low entry cost way for people to generate a lot of cryptocurrency and get educated who aren't ready for the commitment of an Autobot software. So when Unifii launches, we're going to incorporate this into our system. It will be the program that we lead with for our advertising funnel. And if you get in the matrix now, again, which is free to do, this could be really big for you. I'm telling you, I have a really good feeling about this. This could be the silver lining in the dark cloud that's been hovering over many of you that have done poorly in crypto, or maybe you've made mistakes like I have and lost a bunch of money with different crypto opportunities. This is a very well put together site, and if the product is anything like we hear it's going to be, Unifii will be the perfect fit for our crypto accelerator and commission system that you can have access to as well to generate leads and commissions, which means building your crypto portfolio by multiplying your Bitcoin with a program just like Unifii. You can get in now. You can click on the link. You're going to see a page that looks like this. You would then go sign up in the upper right-hand corner and click Join My Team. You'll be able to get through this within literally a couple of minutes. You can get set up with your free position now, and then you can decide later if you want to pick up the product after you learn all the details. So get registered today. Literally, there is no downside to this. Click on the link below to get set up now with your free position in Unifii. I really look forward to having you a part of our team. Please subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on everything going on with Unifii and other crypto opportunities that we review on this channel to help you create passive income with cryptocurrency. We'll talk to you soon.